Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are keeping safe. Yes? So welcome back to my virtual class, English. Okay? So like the other days, we will do a recap of what we learned in the last video. Okay? And then we will move forward with today's lesson. In the last video, if you remember, we learned about various types of texts. Okay? Difference between fiction and non-fiction stories, how to know if the book is a fictional book or a non-fiction, how to read, how to read and write instructions. We have learned how to differentiate between various types of instructions, say writing out an invitation, an instruction for baking a cake, uh, another text like a story. Okay, we have learned about these kind of texts, and we have also learned uh, how to make the noun form of a verb, how to make a noun from that particular verb. Okay, by adding the suffix shan at the end. Okay, so that's about the the instructions part, the writing of the instructions in these formats. Today we will learn about simple instructions, of making crafts, of making day-to-day things. Okay, let's see. We will also learn how to plan a class party and how to use our instructions in planning this class party. All right, fine. Planning a class party, talk about the party you are planning for the class. Who will be at the party? Will the party have a theme? Will you need to prepare invitations? Why? Now, how to prepare invitations? In the earlier class, we have seen the points to include for writing out an invitation. Okay. Now, today we will make a pop-up card. See the chart below. Certain instructions have been given, one by one. What are the requirements of a pop? What do you need? What are the what are the things required in this entire text? Just tell me, what sort of text is this? In the last chapter, we have read about the types of texts. So, can we call it an instruction? An instruction, giving out instructions? Yes. Talk about its features. Follow the instructions for making a pop-up card. Put your card in a safe place. You may need it later. The form, now look at this chart. The form of verb used in instruction text is called command verb, because it tells us or commands us to do something such as draw, open or fold. Words such as first, next and last or finally tell us the order to do things in. They are called sequencing words. Instructions usually begin with a command, verb and a sequencing word. Now we will learn how to make a pop-up card. Ready all? Fine. Let's see what we require for this. We require 3 pieces of card. See, I've taken one piece of card in one color. Okay, one piece of card, or you can take simply a paper. One more piece. 2 pieces of this card. One I have cut out. Later on I'll show you how. So basically 3 pieces of paper. You need 1, 2, 3, or card. A pair of scissors. Then you need a ruler or a scale. Glue. And then coloring pens or pencils. Fine. First, see the chart how to make this pop-up card. I'll show you. Take a card and fold it into half. Fine. Fold it into half. Keep it aside. Now take another card like this. Along its sides. Take the ruler. You fold it from from each side, the length should be 1.5 centimeter. Okay, make a mark with a pencil or anything. You can simply fold it in both the sides. Okay, done. Then take some glue, put the glue in its sides, the ones that you have folded. So I am putting the glue in its sides right now. I'll do this. I'll put the glue. Done. Now I will fold it again this way from the middle. Okay, I fold it this way. I'll put it inside of, look at this card, I have already folded it into two halves. I'll put it inside like this. I'll show you. Let me put it, I'll show you. See, this is how I've placed it. Okay, now take one more card, write happy birthday, okay, and cut it along the sides, cut it like this, like write happy birthday and cut it out, that paper. Okay, now I will again use the glue to paste this card over my, this, you know, the card that I have pasted right now. I'll paste this happy birthday card over here. Fine. So I have put the glue. Now let me paste it. See, I'm pasting it like this. See it? Now my pop-up card is ready. I will just need to stick the portion of the glue a little more carefully so that it doesn't come out the next time. Okay, so I'm closing this. Once when I'm opening this, it pops out like happy birthday. See, this is how you make a pop-up card. You can use it in your in your parties, in your birthday parties, whatever party you're arranging, you can create a pop-up card like this. You keep it aside, you may need it. We don't know, you may need it later on also. Fine. Now writing an invitation. Okay, how to write an invitation? Find the pop-up card, the one that you made just now, you know, this pop-up card. Use a computer to write your invitation. Think about the layout and the order to give information in. Print and cut out the written invitation. Stick it on the front of the pop-up card. This portion is empty, you can stick it here. When they open, they'll find it, the pop, you know, it's popping out. But here, the, you know, the invitation will be here in words, in, you know, in sentences, in whatever format you want, the invitation would be here. You need to stick it. Okay, so the different types of, see, the different types of instructions are the birthday party rules. You can see the pictures, the different kind of instructions. It can be about any rules regarding any birthday party. You need to hear, if it's regarding a game, you need to hear it without arguing. You need to share with each other, you know. So the birthday party rules. Next, how to make a model card. See, a model card has been made one by one, you know, step way it has been shown how to make this model card. Next, how to make a paper aeroplane. See, take a paper. You can see this, it's given in the diagram below. There's a chart. I'll show you how to make. Take a paper like this. Fold it into half. It should be a rectangle. It should be, you know, form a rectangle. Then fold the two sides of a corner like this. One side I folded, the other side also. Same way. See? Becomes an airplane. You can make an aeroplane. Now, how to make Duli di lakshi. Okay, this is the name of a dish. You can heat some water in a saucepan until it starts boiling. Then you can pour a pan of condensed milk inside and stir it. Fine. So you'll see here, uh, you know, how to go about it, how to, the instructions forms, you know, they are given out. There are certain verbs, as we said, command verbs or sequencing, they are given out in the form of verbs. Certain verbs are used to give out the instructions. This form of the verbs help us understand the time of an event. It tells us if the event is in the past, present or future. These different forms of verbs are called tenses. The verb tenses, past tense, present tense or the future tense. Now what are compound words? Look at these words: saucepan, birthday, something, everyone, layout, notebook. You notice these are words made up from two or other words. Okay, when you join these two words, you get this compound word. Okay. In this word, see, saucepan. There are two words hidden. Saucepan. When you join, it becomes saucepan. Again, see, birthday. This is one word, birthday, right? When you join it like this, birth and day. When you join it, it becomes birthday. Then something becomes something. Everyone becomes everyone. Lay out. These two words, when it's combined, it becomes layout. Then notebook. These two simple words are combined, it becomes notebook, one word. So these are called compound words. Okay. Now there are some words made up from there are some words written here. Make compound words from these words. The words are you can get it from your book itself. Hair, bed, bath, brush, room, play, band, tooth, paste, time. In these words, you have to join one word with the other to make it a meaningful compound word. Okay, you can do this in your notebooks, and your task of the day would be, I've shown you how to make an aeroplane, how to make a pop-up card, right? So do one thing, and you by now you know how to write an invitation in the form of instructions. So using the steps that are given in the book, you invite your ma'am, me, Archie ma'am, to your birthday party. You can, follow the simple steps. The invitation should be on the top of the pop-up card. Make a pop-up card like this. Happy birthday. Write to whom? Write your name. Happy birthday, your name. And write the invitations, in the correct format, in the correct chart over here. The details would be given here. Okay, it should be very colorful. Prepare one card like this. Each and everyone should prepare pop-up card. Pop-up invitation cards for your birthday, inviting me, your English teacher. Fine. So that's your tasks for the day. Hopefully you enjoy doing the task. Fine. So I'll see you all in the next video again. Till then, please keep very safe. Okay. Bye-bye.